G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I'm back again for Cyber Weeks. And we've got another fantastic pack here for you. We're calling it the Cut 'em Down pack. Now, what you get in the pack is these fantastic Wurth BSL cutting discs, 2 of them. Now, these are a cutting disc. These will cut steel and stainless steel, but they'll also cut through timber. They'll cut through glass. They'll cut through copper, aluminium, things like that. So pretty much everything you need. And what's fantastic about these is they're just 1.2 mil thick, but because they're made of metal, unlike a traditional metal cutting disc, these can be thrown around in your toolbox, get covered in oil, all those sorts of things. You stick them on your angle grinder and you're ready to cut. Where the original or the normal sort of cutting disc, you know, oil and moisture and everything will ruin the disc, but these are ready to go. So you get 2 of those. Then you also get 1 of these for your angle grinder. So this is a masonry cutting disc, so just for cutting concrete, masonry, brick, all that sort of stuff. Diamond, very, very good disc, will get you out of trouble. We've got these saber saw blades, there's 3 of them. Now we call these rescue blades. Again, these will cut through steel, they'll cut through wood, they'll cut through copper, they'll cut through glass for your recip saw. Okay, so they'll cut through everything. We call them a rescue disc because obviously you can cut through everything for a rescue. And of course, if you're using these products, you need a good pair of safety glasses. So when the sparks are flying, right, you don't want to get anything in your eyes. So I'll take my glasses off. These are the Wurth Ergo, foam Ergo glasses, safety glasses. They've got a foam insert here. So when you put them on, the foam connects to your face and no sparks can enter around the glasses. Of course, they protect you straight on as well. They also have these funny looking wings on the side here. And what they do, if you clip them out and you put them on your head, they won't fall off because they lock them to your head. So they won't fall off if you're looking down. You can just tuck them in out of the way if you don't want to use them. They just clip in simply like that. And then they're just like normal glasses. So these are only available for Cyber Week. They're online only, so if you want to get your hands on this pack, check out the Wurth eShop or the app. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And this pack, it's ready for work.